Hey little yogis, welcome to the channel. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any fun yoga adventures with your favorite characters. Today we're joined by a very special friend, Rumi. She's not just a superstar from K-pop Demon Hunters. She's also here to show us how to be strong, calm, and full of energy through yoga. Rumi will guide us through each move, helping us feel brave, happy, and relaxed, just like a true hero. So grab a comfy spot, take a deep breath. Are you ready? Let's begin our yoga adventure. Now let's get started. Before every big concert, Rumi takes a quiet moment to breathe and prepare her mind. She knows that even superstars need calm moments to stay strong. Even when the lights are bright and the crowd is loud, she stays calm by breathing deeply, just like we do in yoga. Rumi's journey to fame wasn't easy, but she kept practicing and believing in herself. She learned that every small step makes a big difference. When she faces magical enemies, she uses her strength and focus to win. You can build your own strength, step by step. Under bright lights, she shines, but she never forgets to take care of her body and mind. She stretches, breathes, and prepares like a true champion. She is ready and focused. You can feel that same readiness and shine too, just by trying your best. Rumi steps onto the glowing concert stage, and just like her, you can stand tall in your pose, feeling strong and brave inside. She practices every day to become better. When darkness appears, she is fearless. Even when things don't go perfectly, she keeps going. Great. Now, let's do the same pose on the other side. Raise your hands upwards, as if reaching for the stars above the concert arena. Feel your body grow longer and stronger. When shadows of danger appear and try to shake your confidence, stand firm, grounded like a tree, and let your courage guide you. Her voice fills the arena, but her calm mind keeps her steady. She uses her breath to stay in control. Even in difficult moments, she doesn't give up. And just like Rumi, every time you practice, breathe, and believe in yourself, you are becoming stronger, braver, and more amazing than ever before. Now, let's do the same pose on the other side. Remember, every time you balance, you are shining like a superstar who never gives up. Before facing any challenge, she takes a moment to center herself and feel grounded. Being calm is just as important as being strong. Rumi stretches her arms like wings before stepping into the spotlight, and you can do the same in your yoga space. Her movements are graceful but powerful, just like a hero preparing for action. That same strength is inside you every time you move with care. Every hero takes time to stretch and breathe before a big moment. Preparation helps you to succeed. Even when things get tough, keep going. The journey to becoming a star is filled with practice, patience, and moments where you have to be brave even when things feel difficult. Amazing. Now, let's do the same pose on the other side. When she faces magical battles against unseen forces, she stays steady and uses her focus to guide every step and every move she makes. That same strength and determination can grow inside you each time you try your best and never give up. As music fills the air, Rumi warms up her body before the big show, and you can do the same with gentle stretches. She knows that every great performance starts with a calm mind and a strong heart. You can be just like her, strong and peaceful at the same time. Let's do the same pose on the other side. Rumi dances across the stage with graceful and powerful movements. And as you flow through your yoga poses, you can imagine your body moving just like music. Her music echoes across the world, but her strength comes from inside her heart. She practices her moves again and again, just like you practice your yoga poses. When dark forces try to stop her, she stays focused and fearless. You can build that same confidence one stretch at a time. Awesome! Let's do the same pose on the other side. On the biggest stages, Rumi remembers to breathe slowly, even when excitement fills the air. She uses her breath like a secret power to stay strong. You can practice that bravery with every deep breath you take. As the crowd cheers, she stays balanced and steady, just like you in your yoga pose. She knows that staying calm helps her perform her very best. Even when danger appears, she keeps her focus strong. You can be just as steady and brave. Before facing any challenge, she takes a moment to center herself and feel grounded. Even when things get tough, she trusts her training and her courage. You can trust yourself too, because you are growing stronger every day. Rumi shines brightly because she believes in herself. She uses her breath to stay strong. Even when facing danger, she doesn't give up. You can believe in yourself too. Strength comes from inside the heart and mind, and practice helps you become better every day. As the crowd cheers loudly and the stage lights go down, take a quiet moment to breathe deeply. Remember that calmness is the greatest power. Even heroes who fight against dark forces need peaceful moments to feel strong and ready for the next adventure. Be proud of your practice today. Great job today. You are amazing. Take a deep breath, feel proud of yourself, and carry this calm and happy feeling with you for the rest of your day. Thank you for practicing with me. I can't wait to see you again soon. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for new characters and yoga adventures. See you next time.